partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Saturday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming cloudy. A 50% chance of rain. Highs in the mid-40s. Saturday night, rain. This is a required weekly test of the National Weather Service's specific area message encoding and tone alarm systems. If this had been an actual alert, this message would contain specific information on the watch or warning being issued. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Alert systems. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Southwest New Hampshire.